today. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Ronaldin B. Manggiog. I'm 24 years old. I am single, no kids.
Okay, what is your education attainment?
I am a high school graduate.
How many siblings do you have?
I have one sibling, one sister, and I am the youngest of the family.
How would you describe yourself?
I am trustworthy, loyal, obedient, God-fearing person, and a hardworking person.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to support my family financially and to save for my future.
Who will take care of your children when you go to Hong Kong?
I have no children.
Please tell me about your working experience.
I have worked here in the Philippines for 4 years in year 2018 to 2022 with one couple with 2 children, 1 boy 4 years old and 1 girl 2 years old. All my job duties is all around cooking, cleaning the house, marketing.
Okay, did you finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to get up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of healthy elderly persons?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of children and newborn babies?
Yes, ma'am.
What will you do if the baby will cry?
If the baby will cry, if the diaper is dirty, I will change it. If the baby is sick, I will check his or her temperature. And if the baby is hungry, I will feed her.
What will you do if the children are naughty and will not listen to you?
I will encourage them to play and sing a song. If they will not listen, I will tell them that their father and mother will get angry.
What will you do if you feel homesick?
I will focus on my work and my employer's needs.
Do you have the full consent of your husband, parents, family to go to work in abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have family problem, would you go home or just send financial support?
I will just send financial support, ma'am.
Are you willing to share a room with the children, elderly, or other helpers?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work during your race day and employer will pay you as a overtime?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to loan from any bank in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Please sing a nursery song.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Okay, do you know how to swim?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol beverage?
No, ma'am.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any tattoo?
Yes, ma'am. I have 2 dogs and no cats.
Okay, do you have food allergy?
No, ma'am.
Do you need to wear glasses while working?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to cut your hair short?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have surgical operation or serious sickness before?
No, ma'am.
Are you under special medication right now?
No, ma'am.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, I promise to finish my contract and will stay as long as my employer needs me.
Okay, please give a message to your future employer.
Hi, Mom and Sir. I am Ronaldin B. Manggiog. Please choose me to be your housemaid. I am very much willing to work with your family. Thank you and God bless you.